Welcome to another air fryer versus oven cook along. So today I'm going to make a chicken and rice platter. I'm going to cook some chicken and some potatoes in the oven, and I'm also going to cook them in the air fryer oven to see which ones come out the best. So I'm going to make a really simple but delicious marinade. I'm going to start by chopping up some green chillies, some parsley and some coriander. I'm also going to cut up half a lemon. For the marinade, I'm going to add some natural yogurt to a bowl. I'm going to add the chillies, the herbs and some lemon. I'm also going to add some garlic and ginger paste along with the seasoning. I will put the details of this in the description below. And I'm also going to add some salt and pepper along with some olive oil. I'm going to mix that until all of the ingredients are combined. I'm going to line the tins with some foil. I'm going to arrange the chicken on the trays. I'm then going to marinate them with a mixture and let them sit for about 2 hours. For 45 minutes, I'm going to cook the chicken in the oven with the foil on. I'm then going to remove the foil and grill them for about 10 minutes. So that's all ready for the oven. Meanwhile, I'm just going to cut up some potatoes. I'm going to arrange them in an oven tray. So I have an air fryer basket here for the air fryer ones. I'm going to very lightly season them with some salt, some herbs, some garlic powder and also some butter. Meanwhile, I'm going to soak the rice. These need to be soaked for about half an hour. And for a very simple tzatziki, I'm just going to add some cucumber, some natural yogurt. I've also added some dry dill, some salt and pepper and also some milk. I'm just going to give that a good mix and that's all done. I cooked the potatoes in the Ninja air fryer for about 30 minutes in total, and I cooked the chicken in my air fryer oven for 30 minutes. So in my rice cooker I added 2 cups of rice, 2.5 cups of water. I added all of my spices and some olive oil. I press the button and it automatically switches off when the rice are ready. The most perfect fluffy rice are ready in just 20 minutes. I do have a product review video on my channel, so be sure to check that out later. So the chicken and the potatoes are now ready. I'm just going to assemble everything onto a big platter. So this is the oven version. I'm going to show you the air fryer version at the end of this video. So overall they both tasted really nice. I do feel like the air fryer oven ones were more succulent. The air fryer potatoes were more crispy. The air fryer version took a lot less time to cook. If you're cooking for just 1 or 2 people, the air fryer oven is the best option. But if you're blessed with a big family like me, the oven is the only way we can make this much food. That tzatziki sauce was such a good touch on top of this platter. I also added my favourite garnish to give it that extra crunch and also some extra colour. I'm just going to brush on some butter. Both of the platters are now ready. As always, I'm going to send the mini platter to my grandparents' house, so I really hope they enjoy this dinner. So here is the air fryer version of the dinner. I do always feel like the oven shrinks the chicken, whereas the air fryer oven keeps the shape. As you can see, the air fryer oven chicken legs are so much bigger than the oven ones.